Hello SY students, let us consider the practical PMMC meter, that means milliammeter or microammeter, or the D'Arsonval galvanometer is to be converted into DC voltmeter. So PMMC is to be converted into DC voltmeter. So what we have considered is, we have taken one PMMC meter milliammeter with range 50 milliampere and resistance is nearly 1.8 ohm, and we want to convert that meter into DC voltmeter to measure the voltage, DC voltage, and that is from 0 to 10 volt. So diagram I have considered. So here the diagram, that is what it is given. So series resistance that we are putting there with the PMMC meter, so that will be, the whole thing will be DC voltmeter. So series resistance plus PMMC meter, that will be the DC voltmeter. So calculation part that is considered here. So roughly 192 ohm, that is what it is, a RS calculation, resistance required. So let us measure first of all the volt PMMC meter resistance range that you have seen, you can see here, and that is 0 to 50 milliampere. So here it will be roughly 1.7 or 1.8 ohm, that is what it is, a resistance. Okay, so I have taken that as a 1.8 ohm. So with respect to that, it is 192 ohm. So now measure the resistance value RS series resistance. So we have taken दोन जवळपास 4-5 रेजिस्टन्स एकत्र घेतले सिरीज मध्ये, आणि इट विल बी लांब जरासा. The value measured, that is 199 ohm roughly. Okay, so 198.2, that is the calculation. Now we will connect it here with the power supply DC voltage, that is what we are applying to the meter. But this meter plus series resistance, that will be the DC voltmeter. So we are measuring the voltage of the power supply. Okay, so we are connecting there that thing, and we will measure the DC voltage using that PMMC. Okay, using that PMMC. Okay, permanent magnet moving coil. So this now will be acting as a DC voltmeter. So we are connecting the power supply. So positive of this is connected to the positive, and negative of this is connected through the resistance, series resistance, to the PMMC. So you can see here the diagram. So diagram, that is what it is, same thing. Okay, so we will measure also the multimeter DC voltage. Okay, so we will apply here. So here we are applying, suppose now something like, हे मेजर करायला इथं पॉझिटिव्ह कडे दे, निगेटिव्ह कडे दे. So here it will be, the DC voltage is इधर असं दिसतं, इकडे धरतो, ये नको. So suppose here we are applying the 5 volt voltage, now that one. So here it is coming as a 5.53. So let us reduce that, because digital multimeter, that is indicating correct reading, assuming that one. So we will so roughly 5 volt voltage. लगेगा एक टर्मिनल धरा, दुसरं सोडायचं, एकच धरा, हे धरा किती, हे इथं दुसरं धरा, असं इथं धरा, इथं इथं. Now we will reduce that voltage to exactly 5 volts. Okay. So it is nearly 5 volt voltage that we have applied. So this is what it is indicated by the digital multimeter. Now we will connect it to this one. Okay. So here you can see here the voltage measured. Now this is what it is, 0 to 50 milliammeter, but now it is converted to 0 to 10 volts. So with the 0 to 10 volts, exactly half range, that is what it is indicated. So nearly 25, that is the milliampere range, but 25, 0 to 10, 50 means 10. So it will be divided by 5, that will be the range. So 25, that is the indication. Now 25 divided by 5, that means it is 5 volt. So this is 0 to 10 volt reading. Okay, so nearly it is indicating. जेवढा रेजिस्टन्स तुम्ही ॲक्युरेट व्हॅल्यूचा घ्याल इथं कॅल्क्युलेशन प्रमाणे, तेवढा इथं ॲक्युरेटली दाखवेल. बघा आता ॲक्युरेटली दाखवा लागलाय. 25 डिवायडेड बाय 5, दॅट मीन्स इट इज 10 divided by 5, that means it is 5 volts. So 5 volt, that is what it is indicated. Okay, so now we'll consider another meter, another reading. So we will now apply something like 8 volts. Okay, so we will apply there 8 volts. Okay, so roughly 8.0 means 8 volt. That is what the voltage that we have applied with this power supply. Now we will measure that voltage using that PMMC once again. Okay, so it will be, see here, the reading that is 40. So 40 actually range that is 0 to 10 volt. आता 0 to 50 दाखवते, म्हणजे डिवाइड बाय 5 केलं की 0 to 10 झालं. म्हणजे आता 40 रिडिंग दाखवत आहे, तर 40 डिवायडेड बाय 5, सो दॅट मीन्स इट इज 8 व्होल्ट. दॅट विल बी द रिडिंग. सो दॅट विल बी द consideration, that will be the PMMC meter is converted into DC voltmeter. So that is the practical. Okay, so see you, bye.